Now students, in the last class we have studied about wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation wave nature successfully explains the diffraction and interference properties, but it cannot explain the black body radiation and photoelectric effect. Third one, line spectra of atom with a special interference to hydrogen. So that these two are limitations of electromagnetic wave theory. These three are explained by using particle nature of electromagnetic theory. Electromagnetic particle theory is to be explains black body radiation, photoelectric effect, and line spectra. Number one, black body radiation. What is meant by black body radiation? Krishna Kaya, black body. If the substance being heated, if the substance being heated is a black body, is a black body, which is generally called ideal body, which emits and emits and absorb all the frequencies is called ideal body or black body. The radiation emitted in such a body is called as black body radiation. For example, when an iron rod is heated, iron material rod, it is heated, then it is converts into red color initially, red color, and then changes to yellow, and then converts to white color, and then finally blue in color. Why that color changes? The change in the color shows that when heating the iron, on heating the frequency of the radiation emitted increasing. Emission of radiation increases as the wavelength decreases. So it shows that the graphical representation, intensity versus wavelength. As intensity increases, wavelength also increases at a particular value. T1 and T2. Here both intensity also increases and wavelength also increases. After the particular value, the intensity decreases as wavelength also decreases. So that color changing occurs. This color changing is cannot explained by the wave theory. It is a black body radiation. Now what are photoelectric effect? Name itself is photoelectric effect. Means when radiations with frequency, emission of radiations with a frequency greater than a certain minimum frequency. Here frequency is mu. It is already studied in the last class. It is a frequency. Frequency is greater than the certain minimum frequency. What is the minimum frequency? Minimum frequency is a threshold frequency. It is already in the body. For example, such a metals, rubidium, cesium, sodium, potassium, lithium, taken as a metal surface. That metal surface itself having the threshold energy or minimum energy. Minimum frequency is called threshold frequency. But here, when radiations with the frequency is greater than threshold frequency, ಅಂದ್ರೆ frequency threshold frequency ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ photoelectric effect ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minimum frequency ಗಿಂತ mu0 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ photoelectric effect ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Certain minimum frequency strike the surface. Strike means ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Strike the surface of the metal. Electrons are ejected from the surface of the metal. This phenomenon is called photoelectric effect. Here it is a surface, metal surface. Metal may be cesium, potassium, sodium, lithium, magnesium, any of the metal, group 1 especially. Metal surface, here metal surface itself, it is having the threshold energy of minimum frequency mu naught. When the ray of incident light frequency is falls on the metal surface, it is ability to eject the electrons. Ability to how much percentage directly proportional both the intensity of the frequency is falls on the radiation falls on the metal surface, that number of electrons are ejected out of the surface. Electrons are ejected, but it is having the minimum frequency. Here energy of the electron is equal to kinetic energy of 1 by 2 mv square. mv naught is a minimum frequency, generally called threshold frequency. It is called photoelectric effect. These two properties cannot explain by the wave nature. These are explained by particle nature of electromagnetic radiations. It indicates light is considered as a particle. Listen, here wave nature, light is considered as a wave like this, electric and magnetic fields, electromagnetic wave nature. So that the light is a dual character. One is a wave nature and one is particle nature. Again, most of the things, particle nature of electromagnetic radiation explained by the Max Planck, called Max Planck's quantum theory. Max Planck's quantum theory. He is put forward his theory. Vast ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಈ theory ಮೇಲೆ, Planck's quantum theory. But ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದವರು ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಅವರು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ Planck's quantum theory. The radiant energy is emitted or absorbed discontinuously. But ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ವೇವ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು Planck's quantum ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಇವರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ. The radiant energy is emitted or absorbed discontinuously, not continuously, in the form of small packet of energy. In the form of small packet of energy called quantum. Small packet of energy called quantum. In the form of light energy called photon. Second point in the Max quantum theory, energy of the quantum in one quantum is equal to the frequency of the radiation. Here h is a constant, named Planck's constant. It has constant value 6.2626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule. Second one, this equation is used for the calculations. Third one, the total amount of energy is emitted or absorbed by a body will be some whole number. Here n is any integer. N is any integer equal to some whole number quantum. E is equal to n h nu. N is the total energy, total amount of energy emitted or absorbed. N is integer, any integer. H is the Max Planck constant, value 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule. Mu is the frequency of the radiation. If according to Einstein, mu is frequency of the radiation is greater than the mu naught. It is the threshold frequency or minimum frequency. Frequency is greater than that of the minimum frequency, then kinetic energy of the electron, ejected electron, is equal to half mv square. Half mv square is equal to h mu minus h mu naught. Here h is Planck's constant, Mu is the frequency, naught is the minimum frequency. Frequency is greater than minimum frequency. It is called h mu is equal to h mu naught in the place of h mu of m square. This equation is called Einstein's photoelectric equations. There are problems regarding this equation. This E is equal to h mu. Here mu is also used as a wavelength. Find out the calculate the energy and constant by frequency of the waves. Problems on particle nature of electromagnetic radiation. That E is equal to h mu, Planck's constant, Planck's theory is equal to h mu based on that equation. Problem number 1. Calculate the energy E of a mole of a photons. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೋಲ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಮೋಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, 1 mole is equal to 1 ಅವಗಾಡ್ರೋ ನಂಬರ್ 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 moles. 1 mole ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Calculate the energy of a mole of a photons of radiations whose frequency is 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Hertz ಅಂದ್ರೆ per second ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ. ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿನ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಮೊದಲು 1 ಫೋಟಾನ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 ಫೋಟಾನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್. 1 ಫೋಟಾನ್ ಗೆ is equal to h mu. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? 1 mole ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. is equal to h mu. For a solution according to Planck's, is equal to energy is equal to h mu. E is equal to h value 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules second. And mu frequency they given 5 to 10 to the power 14 hertz per second. By substitute these two values 6.626 into 5 3.313 into 10 to the power minus 19 minus 34 and it is plus 14. Substitute to gives minus 19 joule because it is a per second, it is a second. Cancel. Joule is a unit. Energy joules. Now it is for 1 photon converts into energy of 1 mole. 1 mole energy of 1 mole of photons is equal to how many energy? 3.313 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule into 1 mole. 1 mole is equal to 1 Avogadro number. What is the Avogadro value? 1 Avogadro number 6.6022 into 10 to the power 23 per mole. Multiply these two values 3.313 into 6.022 and into 10 to the power minus 19 plus 23 to gives 19951 joule per mole. Cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 3 joule per mole ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಜೌಲ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕಿಲೋ ಜೌಲ್ per mole ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ 1 2 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರಿ ಕಿಲೋ ಜೌಲ್ per mole. ಅದೇ the second problem on E is equal to h mu equation. Planck's equation. A 100-watt bulb emits monochromatic light of wavelength 400 nanometer. Wavelength in nanometer. 400 nanometer. Calculate the number of photons emitted per second. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. is equal to h mu ಫೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎರಡು ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು calculate the number of photons emitted per second by the bulb. Solution: power of the bulb is equal to the given 100 watt. 100 watt is converts into joule per second for calculation. Energy of the photon is equal to E is equal to h mu. is energy of the photon is equal to h nu. H is the Planck's constant, mu frequency of the radiation. Mu is written as c by lambda. Mu is written as c by lambda. Here c is a speed of light or velocity, lambda is the wavelength, because they give a wavelength, so that frequency converted into c by lambda. Now h value is Planck's constant, c is the speed of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and lambda they given 400 nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. H value 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule per second. C is the speed of light or velocity. 3, it is common for 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, divided by lambda 400. They given 400 into nanometer 10 to the power minus 9. 1 nanometer is equal to minus 9 meter. So, and substitute the values. They give gives 4.969 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule, because the second will get cancelled. Second per second, meter per meter. Only J, joule. Energy in joules. Energy of one photon is equal to 4.969 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. Energy for one photon. Now per second, number of photons emitted per second, 100 joules per second they given value, divided by energy 4.969 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. It gives 2.012 into 10 to the power 20 per second, because joule per joule cancel. Only per second. Number of photons emitted per second, second in second, time in seconds. Third problem, the threshold frequency or minimum frequency mu naught ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Threshold frequency mu naught for a metal 7.0 into 10 to the power 14 per second. Calculate the kinetic energy of the electron emitted. Kinetic energy ಅಂದ್ರೆ Einstein's equation ನ ದಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು values. Calculate the kinetic energy of electron emitted when radiation of frequency mu is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power 15 per second hits the metal. Solution: according to the Einstein equation, kinetic energy of the photoelectron emitted of m square is equal to h mu is minus h mu minus h mu naught of m square is equal to h mu minus h mu naught. H is a Planck's constant, mu they given 1.0 into 10 to the power 15 per second. Mu naught is to be calculated. 7 point mu naught 7.0 into 10 to the power 14 per second, and it is mu. All the given values h, mu and mu naught. Substitute this h value and mu value and mu naught value. H is common, so that they can as a separate. H mu value minus mu naught value. Substitute these two, use 3.10 to the power 14, and multiply these two values, get 19.88 into 10 to the power minus 20 joules. And minus 20 minus 19 means 1 decimal point comes to here. 19 converts to 1.988 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules.